What happens when you do a live stream but nobody shows up? Maybe one person finds their way in, but basically you're just talking to nobody. What do you do at that point? Well, I'm going to talk about live streams right now. And very simply put, I just want to say don't let that discourage you. Understand that regardless of how many subscribers you might have, maybe you have 10, maybe you have 50, maybe you have 1,000, maybe you have 5,000. There aren't that many people that are going to show up to a live stream, especially if it's an unannounced live stream. That's going to take time before you have people regularly show up to live streams. Now, I personally haven't done many live streams. I've done a few, and there aren't a whole lot of people that show up to those live streams. I think the few that I did, which were mainly unannounced, I announced it, I don't know, an hour or two beforehand, an hour beforehand. And I had as many as maybe 8 or 10 people at one point. But people come and people go, and that's just how live streams work. But what you want to do is present the material in a way that, just present it as if they're there or not there. Just present it as if you have 100 people watching you, or if that intimidates you, then present it as if you have one person watching you. But just present it the way that you would normally present it, recording for a regular video. Because as a small channel, and small I mean 10,000 or less, as a small channel, if it's good content, you'll get a lot of plays on the replay, and you'll probably get more views on the replay than you will while it's live. Lives are an incredible way to connect with people, absolutely, but I also don't think lives should be used as a time where you just only interact with the people in the live stream and don't bring your own content. I've seen people do that. No, I think live stream should be something where you definitely have material to bring. If you're a Bible teaching channel, you definitely need to have Bible teaching to bring, and you can choose how you want to interact. So everyone has a different preference there. Some you might interact at the beginning and then getting into the teaching and break to interact and maybe answer some questions at the end. You might just dive into the teaching and not really interact at all until the very end. That's perfectly fine as well. And it's okay to do a live stream just to get the content out there and decide not to interact with the live chat at all. That is perfectly acceptable. Some people seem to act like that's not. That's actually perfectly acceptable, because some people choose to do live streams just to get the content out there, and they don't even worry about interacting in the chat. You can do it a number of ways. There's not one right way. So just decide on what the purpose of the live stream is and stick to that. I personally, if live streams did not get stuck on the live tab, would do a lot more of them. But because of the fact that if you do a live stream, it gets stuck there on the live tab and it doesn't go on the video tab, I don't like that, because I know I personally, when I go to a channel, I often forget to go to the live tab. I'll look at the home screen, the home tab, I'll look at the video tab, and I'll look at the About tab, and that's pretty much it. And I don't even... Sometimes I've gone to channels looking for particular videos, and I've gone to videos, I've sorted by most recent, and I'm like, where is it at? Did they take it down? And I'm like, oh, that's right, it was a live stream, and I click on the live. I do not like that they separate the live streams, because it hinders me from doing live streams. Because I have no problem doing a live stream. I have no problem having I actually, just being the fact of being a preacher, public speaker, I think I enjoy that extra pressure. It just helps me present even better, I think. But because of the fact that live streams get stuck on the live tab and not on the video tab, that's definitely something that hinders me from doing live streams. So whatever that means to you, I'm just sharing my preference. And so the point is, you can do whatever you want on live streams. So just choose your purpose and do live streams the way in which you feel is best for you, if you so choose to do them. And also remember, you don't have to do everything just because it's a feature on YouTube. You've got video on demand, regular videos, you've got live streams, you've got shorts, you've got community posts. You can do it all, or you can do only one format, or you can do a few of them, but you don't have to do everything. Well, I hope that was helpful and might help you in thinking through your live streams if you're choosing to do live streams. Maybe even helps you think through whether you want to do live streams or not. You'll want to watch this video next, which I go into a little bit more. Actually, there was a poll about live streams, and go ahead and watch that. But welcome to Get the Word Out. My name's Adam Markley. I help with the theology and practice of online ministry. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe, hit that like button and the notification button so you're notified of when all new videos are released, and then watch this video next for more about live streams. I'll see you over there.